Let's roll, dude. You got this.
Let's do this.
I'm gonna stay pretty out in the open. Now that I've played like Afterburner, I'm not gonna be afraid to like.
I'm gonna Sorry, babe. There we go. I just did so many things on him.
That was. He actually almost got.
Oh, he's going after you.
That's fine. That's fine.
You are a champion, dude. Nice.
Dude. Ooh, nice hit.
Thank you, thank you. We're totally doing it where we said we want to take some more risks.
Oh shit.
See if I can keep him distracted for a bit here.
Yeah, I gotta heal up.
Yeah, yeah.
Right back in.
Nice. Those hoppos did it, dude. It was the hoppos I needed. There it is. There it is. We're on the next stage. Where's the other Chimera?
Oh, whoa, it's right above me? Wait, what? This little guy?
Is there an arrow for it? Oh no, it's dying. It's definitely dying.
Oh, what? And yet more enemies just spawned?
Yeah, this is the next level. We just blew through that level, dude. What do we got going on here? There he is. What's going on, dude?
Cognizant of the oh my god. Whoa, what? Cognizant of those blue pillars, they will kill you in like 2 seconds.
Ooh. It got me. I'm gonna use my Dios here. I don't understand how this works, dude. That was my Dios.
So you're on last life.
Yeah. I don't understand how to avoid those pillar things. I mean the oh wow, that I timed that horribly. I've got to I've got to recharge. I don't know how or where to do that, but thankfully I can still own sauce from a distance.
And I just got I got chipped all the way to death. I don't know. I'm not honestly not sure what killed me completely. Should have taken a Dio. Ah. Oh my god. Dang.
So close. Sorry, babe.
Nice
playing.
Thank you. Thank you.
Nice playing, Anthony.
Yeah. Oh, thanks. It was a great attempt, honestly. It was definitely the best we've ever done. Man.
Man. Freaking Chimera got me, dude.
Yeah, I don't know what you're supposed to do, man.